Here are 5 potential glitches for Block Blast that players have reported. Since glitches can vary depending on the game version and device, some may work better than the others or stop functioning after updates. First, Infinite Move Glitch. Tapping blocks in rapid succession may lead the game to miss some taps, giving players more moves than intended. How to try. Rapidly tap multiple blocks one after the other without waiting for the animation to finish. This can sometimes let you make additional moves without using up all your turns. Second, Free Booster Glitch. Some players have reported getting free boosters without having to watch ads by toggling their internet connection. How to try? Select the option to watch an ad for a free booster, then quickly disable Wi-Fi or put your phone on airplane mode once the ad begins. The booster might be avoided even without watching the full ad. Number 3. Block Rotation Glitch. In some cases, players have been able to rotate blocks that aren't normally rotatable. How to try? Tap on a block in a quick sequence with the rotation button to see if it triggers a change in orientation. This glitch can sometimes be tricky and it may take multiple tries to get the rotation to work. Number 4. Undo Move by restarting. By closing and reopening the app immediately after a move, you might undo the last action. Make a move you wish to take back, then close the app immediately before it can autosave. Reopen it and you might find the last move undone. Number 5. Level Reset Glitch for high scores. Some players have found ways to restart a level without penalty to replay it for a higher score. If you're about to lose, force close the app immediately. When you reopen it, you may be able to replay the level with no penalty, allowing you to aim for a higher score or better outcome. Remember, some glitches may be patched over time, so these might not work at all versions of Block Blast. If you want more updated tricks or tutorials, checking out player communities, Reddit, or mobile gaming forums is a good idea.